Hello and welcome, friends. Welcome to another unboxing. I have this package I just returned with it from the post office. This is a special package because it contains one of my favorite Italian fountain pens with a design from the 1950s, and it contains other item that is not related to fountain pens. So I hope you excuse me, but half of the video will be talking about fountain pens, and the other half you will see the surprise that this box contains. So for the unboxing, I have this knife, pelican knife, and I will try to open it as gently as I can. So okay, here, and now I will cut the rest of it. Let me see. Yes, so this package contains a multifunctional tool that it's very useful when you go camping or on the mountains. So for every need in the wilderness, this tool has been specially hammered. Survival kit is prepared for any dangerous encounter: fishing, lines, hooks, sinker. Oh, so it's quite useful for a fisherman. Oh, quite nice. So this is it. This is the multifunctional tool. It's like a shovel, Adventure 700. And it is a UK design, registers the United Kingdom. Okay, so in this pack, I have also the fountain pen. So bear with me, guys. In a minute, you will see what I'm talking about. I don't want to ruin the box, so maybe I can open this without ruining it. Let me see if I cut it right here. For the moment, I will try just to peel it off, and maybe it's not such a good idea, but I think it will work. So I will open it like this. Okay. Yes. I've ruined the box, but it's okay. I'm quite excited to see the content. So this is, guys, the box. Adventure 700. Let me try to open it. Yes, it comes in this look, in its own pouch. And now I'm searching for the fountain pen. Yes, the fountain pen is right here. Okay, so I will leave the box aside. Just look at this wonderful multi-purpose camping tool. So you can use it as a hammer, a spade, a saw edge, hatchet edge, bottle opener, nail putter, and as a wrench. It even has a compass included, and space for survivor kit optional. Whoa, nice little looking compass over here. Quite nice tool. And guys, I didn't pay lots of money for it. I think I paid around 10 euros or 14 American dollars, so not a large sum of money. I will leave this aside. I think that you're not interested in this item, but instead you are interested in this one. So I will try to open it as gentle as I can. Yes, it's definitely well wrapped. But I have the muscles, so I hope that I can reach it quite easily. Okay, I don't have time for this, so I will try to just bring it like this from the yes, sorry, the cap is inside. So this is the famous Aurora 88 with an ink window, a piston filler. The only problem with this fountain pen is the nib. The nib, you can see it needs a little bit of tuning. I'm not so sure if we have a flexi nib. It definitely needs some work. So I have the model here. Yes, it's an Aurora 88. So quite a nice fountain pen. Let me put it over there. And I will try to reach the cap. Okay, I will try to push it from this side. Oh God, definitely I'm struggling with this cap. Oh, I hope I... Okay. This is frustrating, guys, but I will take it apart by the end of this video. Yes. Come on, get out. Yes, I finally got it. I don't want to break it in some way. It's a metallic cap, but oh yeah, and yes, this is a wonderful cap, guys. Just look at this. It has even let me see here, an engraving. So it's 18KR. When you see 18KR on Italian products, it means it is gold plated, I think. It has almost 1 carat of gold, so between 2.5 and 5% content of gold. So this is quite nice gold plating, and you can see it lasted the test of time. And guys, this is the fountain pen, and because it has that problem with the nib, I think I paid for it under 10 euros, so quite a nice price. You can see the difference between the celluloid and the hard rubber here, and I think it's a wonderful fountain pen, and at this price I had to have it. And after I bought it, I saw that the seller was selling also this multifunctional tool. I like to go in nature from time to time and just relax, and I think this tool would be quite useful on my journeys into nature. And maybe you know, I live in a mountain town, so I'm surrounded by mountains, and it's a nice way to relax and disconnect myself from the stress of collecting such many fountain pens. It's not a stress, guys, it's a pleasure. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. If you've enjoyed this unboxing, please subscribe to my channel to support my activity. I will see you again at the next episode, and till then I want to wish you to have a wonderful day wherever you are. Stay safe from these pandemic times, and bye bye guys, and God bless.